How to sell an ebook on ClickBank. If you've written an ebook, ClickBank is one of the easiest platforms to sell it on. It handles payments, affiliates, and exposure to millions of potential buyers. Here's how to set it up step by step. First, sign up or log into your ClickBank account at clickbank.com. From your dashboard, go to the Vendor Settings tab. Fill out your business details, tax information, and payment preferences. Next, go to the Marketplace Listings section. Click on Add New Product and choose Digital Product since you're selling an ebook. Upload your sales page link, product title, description, and pricing details. Make sure you also provide a thank you page or download link. This is where buyers will get access to your ebook after purchase. Without it, your listing won't be approved. ClickBank will review your submission for quality and compliance. Once approved, your ebook will appear in the marketplace for affiliates to promote. You can also generate your own affiliate link to start selling directly. To boost sales, set a competitive commission rate, usually 50% to 75%. This motivates affiliates to promote your ebook for you. Also, design a professional sales page that builds trust and explains the value. And that's it. Your ebook is now live and ready to sell on ClickBank. Thanks for watching.